Hey everybody, before I really start this episode the way I was going to, I just want to parking the Jeep for a second and letting you see what I'm seeing. All right, you have got to admit, this is pretty cool. Guys, welcome to the North Cascades National Park. I'm Jason Yoder, and here on my channel, I share with you my travel and my photography experiences. And as you can tell, we are going to do a little bit of winter photography today. Get to enjoy some rare atmospheric effects with the clouds, mountains in the background. There's a lake with an island. Trying to figure out a composition because there's a tree in the foreground covered in snow, but it's kind of piercing into that island. May have to, dare say, Photoshop that one out a little bit later on. There's not much of a choice here. So I got this really cool cloud that's kind of hanging over the water. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up, see if we can get a shot, a good composition on this one. Well, this dynamic atmosphere, everything's changing, just lost sight of the island. So we'll see what we can do with the landscape we have in front of us. Well, it is definitely times like this you're counting on Canon's ability to seal their camera from the weather to be working. We have got some huge snowflakes coming down. This is beautiful out here. You can see my camera is getting soaked, so I think what we're going to do here is we need to get some a charge back on some of these batteries for the GoPro. I think we're going to head back to the Jeep, dry off the camera. I want to drive a little ways up the road here. I think I saw something that might be interesting. Well, we're just walking along the road here, actually on the road. This road I came up is about 35 miles one way to it, or 35 miles to a dead end. This road is closed off until June to get to the other side of the Cascades. So the only thing that's out here essentially going to be four-wheelers or snowmobiles. So I'm not really worried about being hit by any cars walking out here. We're just going to walk maybe about a quarter mile up this road, just see if there's anything interesting. And if not, it's nice, beautiful, relaxing, quiet winter day. The only thing I can hear is the sound of the creek I'm walking over right now. So I can hear a creek over here. and there's a boardwalk that leads out to it. So we're going to head over there, see what type of images we can capture. At the very least, it's just beautiful with the snow coming down here through this pine forest. Can it get any better than this? So yeah, there's going to be some snow streaks in the image. This is going to be a long exposure. I'm at f9. It's going to be almost a half a second, but I have the trees kind of framing the creek, and because of the longer exposure, I'm hoping to get that really silky look in the water, at least the parts of the water that you can see that are moving. So let's do this. Hey guys, had to switch over to my phone to finish this. The GoPro batteries are gone. Look at this. This is awesome. That's all I gotta say. This is awesome. So I'm not completely alone. There's some people four-wheeling back there. There's a family snowshoeing way back there. But I found one of the things I was hoping to find. This isn't perfect because I can see on the left side of the road up here. I'm going to have to use the cloning tool to get rid of a road sign. I'm going to retake this image when I get back towards the parking lot, which is a real long straight shot, but my God, am I enjoying this. Absolutely beautiful. Well, I really need to head down the mountain, but I got this final image. It did clear up so we can see one of the mountains there in the background. But wow, what an awesome day. So anyhow guys, do me a favor, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up. And also, if you could, open your hearts and your homes to a shelter animal in need. And if you can't, please consider donating to your local animal shelter. If you can tell, my lips are freezing, the temperatures are dropping, I can barely talk. I'm going back to the Jeep to warm up. I'll see you all in the next episode.